It is Saturday, December 9th, and we were busy today. I need to thank Ashley for covering the store this morning and handling everything. She worked like a dog, and Sandy for working this afternoon. I was in and out, but I took advantage of this beautiful warm weather, and I I put lights on my outdoor tree up at the deck. So I feel very accomplished. I got it done before sunset. So there you go. I have promised you that I would talk to you about Rasta and the fast hats and the fabulous pom-poms. So let me just go through what I've got, some things that I have put together. There are others that I am not showing you. So I told you a while back about the bobble hat. So this is from Bah Yarn. This is Mammoth. It is $38 for the skein. She has space dyed these, and this one's the green with the purple. And every time you get to the purple, you make a bobble. And so it's a random cute bobble hat. And then this purple pom-pom is perfecto. So that's that one. All right, the rest of these are Rasta. Rasta is $23 and the pom-poms are $38. This one is gorgeous. This is Piedras. Piedras looks like a desert sunset. I mean, it is so gorgeous. And this color is whiskey pom-pom. I mean, honestly, so good. So good. We all love Indicita. It has been around forever. There are many colors in there, but we have chosen the lavender pom-pom to put with that today. I like it. Looks beautiful. Check this one out. This one is called Sunset. What? This one is amazing. Somebody has to get this. It's so fabulous. And my grandson, Owen, would be like, orange, bagels. I need that orange. It's not quite orange. It's not quite yellow. Anyway, that was that one. This one is gorgeous. This is Verde Azul. So that's green and blue, which is exactly what that is. And I have put a hunter green pom-pom. That is spectacular. Spectacular. All right, this one is Boomerang. Boomerang is turquoise, purple, green, gorgeous, but it is extraordinary with that aqua teal pom-pom. Amazing, just amazing. This one is Porino. It's kind of a new color, I think. It looks like English rose, but it's not. And I have put a hot pink. So I love that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This one is Diana, and the pom-pom is whiskey. There are so many colors in Diana. You could choose many different ones, but I thought the whiskey set all the bright colors off really well. I like it a lot. Check this one out. This is Rosalinda. And you could do the lavender pom-pom with this, but I love the pale baby pink. So feminine, so sweet. Love it. Love it. Aroquita. Aroquita is a green brown with some maybe blues in there, yes. And it's a little bit muted, kind of camouflagey looking. However, I have chosen, of course, a lime green pom-pom to really set it off. I think that makes all the difference in the world in that particular hat. And this one, I believe, is my last one. I feel like I've shown them all to you. This one is Laguna Negra. And this is just a beautiful, I don't know, it's just an earthy, warm, just so beautiful. It could be a masculine hat. And what man won't wear a fox pom-pom? Very cool. I love this gorgeous neutral pom-pom that goes with it. It's absolutely perfect. All right, just a suggestion. There are so many, and you have plenty of time to knit a hat or two or three before Christmas. Don't listen to those people that say there's only 16 more days, right? If you can knit a hat in a day or two, it's a lot of hats you could knit between now and then. Or if you're like me, you mail it out 2 days before it's supposed to be there and pay an exorbitant amount of money to get it where it's supposed to be. I'm trying to avoid that this year. We'll see. Who knows? All right. I will see you Monday.